Hello, students. Let's discuss the universities one by one. First of all, the oldest and best university of Lithuania and the whole of Europe is Vilnius University. In the last intake, Vilnius University took students with 60% marks, and in the previous intake, they took students with 50% marks. There was no need for IELTS, there was no demand for more marks, there was no issue of gap. Students with gap of 5 to 6 or 7 years also went there. But now, in this intake, in September 2025, I will tell you about the criteria set by Vilnius University. The students who will apply for bachelor's in their last degree, that is intermediate, they should get more than 75% marks. Then they are eligible to apply, otherwise, their application will be rejected. Apart from that, those students who are going for master's and have done bachelor, the general criteria set by them in bachelor is that 3 CGA should be there for students to apply. Apart from that, there is a specific criteria for every subject. I mean, if you have nominated in maths, English, algebra or different courses, there should be a certain amount of CGA or percentage of marks. Then you can apply overall. The criteria set is 75% for students applying for bachelor's, and for students applying for master's. The criteria of Vilnius University should be more than 3 CGA marks. They have not yet demanded IELTS or PTA. If you have it, it is an extra plus point for you. It will be easier for you to take admission. Otherwise, they have not yet set the criteria that it is compulsory to submit IELTS. Apart from that, Vilnius University has also told about the gap that there should not be more than 5 years gap in your last degree. You have done it in the last 5 years. More than that, if you have done your degree 6 years ago or 7 years ago, then Vilnius University will not give you admission. The second big public university of Lithuania is Vilnius Tech University. Vilnius Tech University also gives scholarships. Erasmus Mandis also gives scholarships.